guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm just going to be reviewing this particular wig I have on and talking about cutting your lace with a razor. Okay, so first we'll get into the specs of this wig. So this wig, this wig comes from Ft.Eayon Hair Company. I do have the specs on my phone. The density is 150% density. It is a natural color. It is 18 inches. And I did get a large cap. So the large cap ranges from a 23 to a 25. Okay, so this was like perfect. Okay, I do have a lot of hair and my head is bigger, so I would recommend you guys measure your head before you buy these wigs. Okay, so you can get a good size for you. Okay, and the hairline was pre-plucked. I didn't have to do a lot to the hairline. I just plucked it a little bit more and then just added a few baby hairs to my liking. Y'all know I love baby hairs. That's just my thing. Okay, so this is Brazilian hair, and it does come in water wave texture, and this is what the water wave looks like. Okay, so I just put some water in it and a little bit of mousse, and this is just the curl pattern. You guys know I love wavy hair. It's my favorite texture. This hair is definitely low maintenance. Okay, so you don't have to do a lot to it. I like the blown out look because I did blow dry it, so if it looks a little frizzy or whatever, I blow dried it. And also when you let it air dry, it looks really pretty too. This is a 360 unit, so you can put the back down. I never do. I just like secure like the little comb, and that it works out for me. I just don't do it, but I know a lot of people do secure the back, so that is, you know, it is a 360 unit for you if you would like to do that. It did come with 3 combs in the unit, but I did take the combs out. They were up here. I always leave the comb back here, mostly because I don't utilize the other combs. But yeah, this unit is very versatile and pretty, so if you would like to wear it up, it looks really good in this nice wavy ponytail. Okay, really cute for like work or something like that. I like this wig. It looks very natural, and it's not like super thick. Okay, so it is like a natural type density, and that's just what I'll say. It's not like super thick. It's lightweight, and it's just the perfect amount of hair on there for like every day. Okay, so if you guys would like to check out the hair company or the hair, please look in the description box down below. Okay, so let's get into talking about cutting your lace with a razor versus scissors. Okay, so I know that I've seen a lot of people doing this lately, and I just decided to try. So I decided to use like a straight razor, but a lot of people who have been doing this method, they've been using eyebrow razors. Okay, so I did try this method with the eyebrow razor. This was a while back ago, and I messed up my lace because the eyebrow razor wasn't that sharp, so I figured I'd go in with one of these, and this is just a regular blade and like a little thing, and it ended up working out very well. The only thing I'm going to say about cutting with a razor is that you have to be very careful not to cut too much off. Okay, so what I did was I did like a really rough cut with the razor, and then I went back in and kind of like with the razor kind of like tried to make it a little bit more precise, because you just have to be careful because the razor cuts like so fast and it's so sharp, and you don't have a lot of control over it. So that's the only thing that you want to be careful with. But I can't say I liked it because it did cut my lace jagged like, and you guys know that you should never cut your lace like straight across because it will show. Like your lace will show more. Now if you cut it like a little jagged like that, then it won't show as much, and it'll lay pretty nice or whatever. So I would definitely say to go ahead and try out the method. Just be careful not to cut too much off, because it's very easy to lose control of that razor and end up cutting too much. Okay, so anyways guys, that is pretty much it. This is not a very long video. I just wanted to kind of test out that method and see, you know, what the hype was all about, because I've seen a lot of people using it, and a couple of people explain like they love it and they use it more than they use their scissors. So yeah, I would say try it out. If you guys already do that method, make sure you leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you on my next one.